It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty, haul-anything heavy-duty pickup. It's well equipped with the features you need: Vortec engine, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection finds GMC Sierra HD has a taller, more poised look than previous incarnations. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.